Hey, if Windows 11 isn't detecting your Bluetooth devices, yeah, that can be super frustrating, especially when you just want to connect headphones, a mouse, or a speaker. The good news is there are a few quick fixes you can try. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to get Windows detecting your devices again. So let's dive in. First, check that Bluetooth is actually turned on. Go to Settings, Arrow Devices, Arrow Bluetooth and Devices, and confirm that the toggle is on. Next, make sure airplane mode is off. Yeah, this can block all wireless devices, including Bluetooth. Check the Action Center or go to Settings, Arrow Network, and Internet Arrow Airplane Mode. Sometimes the Bluetooth service needs a reset. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, hit Enter, then find Bluetooth Support Service. Right-click it and select Restart. If Windows still isn't detecting devices, update your Bluetooth drivers. Open Device Manager Arrow Bluetooth, right-click your adapter, and choose Update Driver Arrow Search automatically. Another quick fix, yes, if the device was previously paired but isn't showing now, remove it and pair it again. Go to Bluetooth and Devices, select the device, click Remove, and then add it again. Windows has a built-in troubleshooter that can fix detection issues. Go to Settings Arrow System, Arrow Troubleshoot, Arrow. Other troubleshooters, Arrow, Bluetooth, Arrow, run, and follow the prompts. Finally, restart your PC. Sometimes a simple reboot resets everything and helps Windows detect Bluetooth devices properly. And that's it. One of these steps should get your Windows 11 PC detecting Bluetooth devices again. If this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching. Ciao, and I'll see you in the next one.